Hello everybody, welcome back. Another AI video. In this one, we're in Akool, and I'm going to show you the best video face swapping platform on the internet. I am sure of it. At least as of September 2nd, 2024, this is the best of the best. Take a look at what I've got behind me here. These are real examples that I'm going to show you how to create with one click. It is literally the best and the easiest platform to use. Join me. Let's go. All right, here we go. The platform we're using is called Akool. Akool.com. Links in the description below. If you have an account, click on login. If you don't, just click on join our free trial. When you do that, you're going to see here that they've got a whole bunch of features and functionality. The one we're going to be using is face swapping, but they've got live face swapping. So if you're on a Zoom call and you want to scare your manager, have some fun, go for it. Realistic avatars, streaming avatars, video translation, AI image generation, personalized video functionality, talking photos. It's all here. This is a Swiss Army knife of, I guess, AI, but their face swapping, I think, is the best of the best. So I'm going to click on that. And then when you do that, you get the option to just go ahead and start dropping in some files. Let's show you how to do that. All right, so here we are on the main screen. You'll notice up top here, I have 552 credits, so I have a paid account. But for those of you that are just testing it out, you can always use the free trial. Works great. Now, up at the top left here, under platform, you're going to see all of those different choices. The one we're going to focus on in this video is face swapping. Again, they've got the best face swapping technology out there right now, at least as of, well, September 2nd, 2024. It's the best of the best. Once you've done that, you'll see here we've got the ability to drag and drop or upload a file. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and click on choose file. And then I'm going to go into Akool AI. And then I've got this one here of this attractive lady here doing some sort of silly TikTok dance. It's a thing, guys. I don't know why it's a thing, but it's a thing. It's going to analyze it for me. And then presto. I'll go ahead and make this a little bigger so you can see the video. Let's go ahead and click on play. And then, okay, whatever this is. So, yeah, she's doing her thing and stuff. But we're going to do a face swap. So I'm just going to move that back to the beginning. And now look at this over here on the top right. You'll see here that it has detected the face for us. Now, there is not a lot of movement, not a lot of motion in this video, so it's detected one face. But sometimes if, like, you've got multiple faces or there's lots of motion, it may detect the same face multiple times. Anyways, after that, the next step here, we've got two options. You can use the demo faces. So if you just want to test it out and you don't have a particular face in mind, then just go ahead and use one of these three demo faces, and they work great. Alternatively, you can see here, I've got like Eminem here, I've got Britney Spears, I've got Katie Holmes. Let's go ahead and do the Eminem one because I really like this one. This shows you how good this is. I'm going to click on that, and look at this. It's literally one click. That's all there is. It's detected the face. It's added the face in. When we go down a little bit here, you can see here we can re-age the face. So if we want her to look really, really young, try not to be weird, or if you want her to look really, really old, you can do that as well. And if you have a multiple faces, you have a pro account, you can turn on face enhance. But for this one, you don't need it. So we're just going to go now and hit high quality face swap. Now watch this. It's just going to go ahead now and start working on it. Now, the next step, and this is an important one, is it's not actually going to show it to you on this screen. You need to go up here to the top, and I'm just going to go, where is it? Library, top right side. So I'm going to click on my library. And now watch. You'll see here that it's cooking and it's processing. It's very, very fast. It should only take less than like 60 seconds. I'm going to come back when it's done and show you the result. All right, welcome back. So it's gone ahead and done it for us, and it took less than a minute. And you can tell here by the time in the top right, it went from like 6:19 to 6:20. Now, it's always the last one on the top left here. Watch this. This is absolutely incredible. I'm going to hit play. Let's take a look at what we got. This is unbelievable. That is literally Eminem's face in a female form with the girl's hair on it in the background. This is absolutely crazy. And why is it so good? Because we didn't have to do anything other than drag and drop the video in. That was literally it. We didn't have to touch any keyframes. We didn't have to set any parameters. It is literally drag and drop, one-click functionality, and it is incredible. Let's take a look at this one here. I'll just show you a couple other examples while I got you. Here's the one with Brooke Monk. This is the revised version. Look at that. Did you see the original shot? Let me load up the original video for you. I'm going to go into my Finder, going to go to Akool, And I've got it right here. Let's go ahead and open up her video. Look at this. Now look at this. Guys, this is unbelievable. Look at the faces, especially at the end here. So this is her last pose right here when she makes her funny face. Oops. And then look at this lady's last pose right here. I'll just go right to the end here. Bang. Look at that. Now let's go back into that video. Let's go ahead and open it up one more time. Turn the volume off. Close it. Open it. Look at that. This is absolutely unbelievable. Look, that is a perfect face swap. I'm not going to lie. That is just incredible. So that is just one example. I got a few seconds here, so I want to show you a few other things you can do with this tool while I got you. Here we go. All right, the last thing I want to show you is in the library here. I'm going to show you just an example of what the realistic avatar looks like as well. They do a great job with these. I'm going to go into my library. I'm going to click on realistic avatar. I'm going to click on the last one I generated, and this is about a month old, so the technology is even probably a little better now. And just watch this. Now watch when I add the audio, watch how his lips sync up to the audio. Picks for top AI avatar creators. So depending on what you're looking to do, whether it's, doing the video face swap, which is amazing, or maybe you want to create a video avatar, or you want to face swap and then put that into the avatar type video, you can do all of that with Akool. It's drag and drop. It's one click. It's incredible. Give it a shot. Links in the description below. Thanks for watching.